to the employees and you do the performance appraisal of the employees of the another person. Okay. If you are offering that services to the registered person, normally the companies take the training. Training could be any training, soft skill, legal training, I mean law related training, accounting training, tax training, whatever it is, training. You go there, you do the training there, or they will come to your location, you do the training there. If you are providing to the registered person, example XYZ company, which is a registered entity in GST, in that case, the location of the registered person will be the place of supply. If you are giving a services to unregistered person, in that case, location where actual performance will happen. Okay, for the unregistered, actual performance, for the registered, location of the registered person. Next, 12.6.
But the example sits differently, sir.
What's
The example of the training.
this one?
Yeah, yes, sir.
See, XYZ Consultants,
Yes, sir.
registered at Bangalore,
Okay.
provides training to its clients' employees at Mumbai.
Okay.
The clients are registered at Chennai.
Okay. The recipient register. Okay.
Recipient is registered, hence registered person,
Right.
location Chennai.
Right.
Which tax you will apply here? In this case, CGST, SGST or IGST? IG, ST, why?
Bangalore and Chennai.
Chennai.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay. The same question. Okay. The person is registered in Chennai. You are registered at Bangalore. Chennai people will come to your place and take the training and go to the Chennai office. Then what is the place of supply?
If he is registered, the Chennai will remain as it is.
Same thing. No change at all. Whereas that Chennai office is not registered. You will go to Chennai, do the training there. That means where the training is being provided, that place will be the place of supply. First situation. Second situation, Chennai office is not registered. Those people will come to Bangalore, take the training and then go back to the office. Then actual performance will happen at Bangalore, place of supply will be the Bangalore. The nature of GST will be SGST, CGST in case the performance happens in Chennai, in Bangalore, where the recipient is unregistered. If the recipient is unregistered, performance happens at the different place other than the place of supplier, then IGST. See, the combination may come any way. You have to apply the logic, whether registered or not registered. If it is registered, wherever it happens, training, IGST or the place of recipient. If the person is registered, recipient is registered, it need not be IGST. Sorry. The place of registered person. If the recipient is unregistered, where the performance happens, that place. It could be CGST, SGST or it could be IGST also. You have to be very careful in that. See, taking marks in GC in income tax is very easy, provided if you guys know the provision properly. If you mess with the provision, 4 marks question, 4 questions will come. 4 into 4, 16 marks. If you mess, 16 marks gone. If you know, 16 out of 16 you will get. In this place of
Sir, one clarification regarding this. For example, income tax calculation or in this, we will write 2-3 provision, but the final answer is wrong, let us assume, in income tax
if
calculation.
the provision is also wrong, then the entire problem goes wrong. Assume that 4 marks question.
Yeah.
You're asked to calculate the income with respect to 44AD we discussed. 6%, 8%, those one.
Okay, sir.
Instead of applying 8%, you apply 6%.
Right.
Instead of applying 6%, you apply 8%.
Okay.
And you require to calculate tax also.
Okay.
The calculation first part itself is wrong.
Okay.
Instead of applying 6%, you apply 8. Instead of applying 8%, you apply 6. You do the reverse one.
Right.
First step itself is wrong. The tax calculation you have done correctly. They applying the proper rate. Applying the proper rate. Below 2,50,000 it is nil. 2,52,000, 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 20%, 10 lakhs and above 30%. You did everything right. Since the income itself is wrong, this is also wrong. You will get 0 marks.
For example, calculation of this income, if they ask, and especially like provident fund and other thing, there we may make a mistake and all the other things we may add. Even then we will get 0 marks only.
No. In case of salary, assume that they are given 6 to 8 transaction.
Correct.
Out of that, you made it 2 transaction wrong.
Correct.
And you get the wrong salary, gross salary.
Correct.
And deduction also you have claimed correctly. Net
Okay.
salary you will get correctly. I mean wrongly.
Okay.
Since the gross salary is wrong, net salary will also be wrong.
Correct.
Obviously. Okay? In that case, if it is asked for 16 marks,
Okay.
8 plus 2. 2 is, one is professional tax, another one is standard deduction, assume.
Okay.
8 plus 2, 10. They would have given the weightage for certain provisions like rent-free accommodation, 2 marks.
Okay.
Motor car, 2 marks.
Okay.
Provident fund, 2 marks. Basic salary, 1 marks. TNS allowance, 1 marks. And the standard deduction, 2 marks. Like that, if they would have definitely in that weightage only they will prepare the question. You may not be knowing.
Okay.
Out of 15 marks or 10 marks, based on the weights, if it is 2 marks transaction you have done wrong, 2 marks cut.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Sorry for the interruption.
Okay. In that sense, gross salary is also mistake. Net salary is also mistake. 1 marks extra cut.
Okay. Okay, sir.
These are all the linking, no? That I do in my in my valuation. In the other classes, I do. We will assign the marks or the weightage of the marks for the each transactions, and the gross salary and the net salary also we have given the weightage. If one transaction is wrong, obviously your gross wrong, net wrong. That means 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 marks gone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next, underline this one, admission. What is meant by this? Only the meaning of admission. Right to enter is called as admission, right? Can you guys barge into any cricket cricket match or anything without taking the ticket? If there is a ticket, can you go inside? Leave that one. Can you go inside of the movie without ticket? No, sir. No. That is called as admission. Okay? Understand all these things. They use the word differently, but you have to link to these things. Okay? Admission to cultural, artistic, sporting, scientific, educational, entertainment events, amusement park, or any other place and services ancillary thereto. That means cultural program like Bharatanatyam and other things, artistic, any art, painting and other shows, sporting, cricket match, tennis, football, IPL, everything, scientific, Nehru Planetarium, other things you have in Bangalore, educational, where the this one educational, what it happens now, exhibition relating to that, entertainment events, Sonu Nigam, Shreya Ghoshal events, amusement park, your what is that, GRS Fantasy Park, another what is that in Hejjala is there no, near Kengeri, what is that amusement park? Water park is Wonderla or any other place. In Wonderla, assume they have the stalls inside the Wonderla, ice cream stall, cloth stall, everything. You cannot go there also without ticket. You cannot enter the Wonderla. You cannot visit that. That is all called ancillary. Any other place. Okay. In these cases, if there is any admission ticket, see, this is linked to exemption also. If the ticket value is up to 500, the exemption is available to that. If the ticket value exceeds 500, taxable is there. I will not touching those things because we have to discuss all these things again in exemption. We are discussing only the place of supply, place where the event is actually held. Circus. It will be arranged in Palace Grounds in Bangalore. Where the event is actually held? Palace Ground. Delhi person visits Bangalore and he goes to circus. For him, the CGST, SGST will be levied. Why? Because it is happening in Bangalore. And he is coming and taking the ticket in Bangalore. Or where the park or such other place is located. If you go to Wonderla, where the Wonderla is there, that place. If you go to Ravindra Kalakshetra, you watch some cultural programs, that place will be the place of supply. See, Radha is a resident of Mumbai and traveled to Bangalore for a occasion and booked tickets for an event at water park. Place of supply will be Bangalore. Why? Water park is in Bangalore. Understanding, guys? Okay. I will have my food. Please excuse me. At least I need 15-20 minutes. Now it is 5:15. Can you guys please come back at 5:40?